In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix XPCOM in Firefox. Let's start with the first step, which is to restart your computer. This may seem simple, but it's an essential first step in resolving many software issues, including problems with Firefox. First, make sure to close Firefox completely. You can do this by clicking on the X at the top right corner of the window. Once Firefox is closed, it is time to restart Windows. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, selecting the power icon, and then choosing Restart. It's important to allow your computer to fully restart, as this helps clear temporary files and refresh system processes. After your computer boots back up, open Firefox again. This initial restart can often resolve minor glitches, so it's a good practice to try this first. If the error remains, do not worry. We have more steps to help you out. Next, we will start Firefox in Troubleshoot Mode. This mode is designed to help you diagnose and fix issues by disabling extensions and certain settings that might be causing problems. To do this, first you need to press the Windows key and the letter R simultaneously. This will open the Run dialog box. In this box, type Firefox Mishi Safe Mode. Be sure to type it exactly as shown, with a space between Firefox and Mishi Safe Mode. After that, press Enter on your keyboard. You should see Firefox open in a special mode. Click on Open if prompted. This step is crucial as it helps determine if an extension or corrupted setting is causing your problem. If Firefox works well in Troubleshoot Mode, congratulations. This indicates that an extension or a corrupted setting may be the root of your issue. It's essential to identify what might be causing the trouble. You can start by disabling your extensions one by one to find the culprit. To do this, click on the menu button in the top right corner, select Add-ons and Themes, and then navigate to Extensions. From there, you can disable each extension and check if the problem persists. This methodical approach will help you pinpoint the exact cause of the issue without losing your custom settings. If disabling extensions does not resolve the problem, we can proceed to check your settings. Sometimes certain configurations may conflict with Firefox's functionality. To access the settings, click on the menu button again and select Options or Preferences depending on your version. Review your privacy and security settings, as well as any language and appearance options. It's good to reset any suspicious changes that you might not remember making. This step helps in restoring Firefox to a stable state, ensuring a smoother browsing experience. Finally, if all else fails, you can consider refreshing Firefox. This action can restore the browser to its default state while preserving essential information like bookmarks and passwords. To do this, click on the menu button, go to Help, and select More Troubleshooting Information. From there, look for the Refresh Firefox button. This process takes only a few moments and is often effective in resolving persistent issues. Remember, this refresh helps eliminate underlying problems while keeping your important data safe. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the XPCOM issue in Firefox. Each step is designed to help you systematically approach the problem, ensuring you can enjoy a seamless browsing experience once again. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.